Welcome to another edition of Gluten-Free Adventures. My name is Stephanie and I have non-celiac gluten sensitivity, so I can't have gluten, but I'm okay with cross-contamination. And today I am at the opening of Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree. So let's go check it out and taste all the things that are gluten-free. I am here on opening day of Hungry Bear Jamboree, and it opened today with a new menu, and I'm here to try some gluten-free things. So I was able to get the barbecue platter, and it comes with 2 meats and beans and coleslaw and a gluten-free bun with pickles and jalapenos. It's $21.49 and you get to pick 2 meats. However, of the 4 choices, there's sausage, brisket, spare ribs, and pulled pork. The pulled pork actually has gluten, so that is not an option. So today I got the brisket and the spare ribs. And then there is a Magic Key discount does apply, it's 15% off. And then I got the strawberry shortcake lemonade, which normally comes with a crumble topping, but you can get it without to make it gluten-free. That's $7.49. So let's taste. Here is the spare rib. It's tasty. There's not a whole lot of meat on there, but it's tasty. I like it. It's not too dry. I would have loved a little bit more sauce, but the meat is tender. This is good. It's smoky. I really like it. Messy, but good. I'm gonna try this brisket. The chef brought it out to me. It has the allergen stick. Let's taste the brisket. Not a whole lot of flavor. It's not chewy, but not a whole lot of flavor. The ribs are much better. Let's taste the coleslaw. That's a vinegar coleslaw. It's got a little kick. That's good. All right, let's taste the beans. Guys, I'm not a bean person. I don't like beans. I never get them with anything. I asked what else I could have, and they said a cutie. So she said I could have double coleslaw or a cutie, which I didn't want either, but I'm going to taste the beans for the cause. Okay. I don't like the beans because of the texture, but the taste, it's very brown sugary. It's very sweet. Ooh. I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but the beans are good. I mean, I might eat a couple bites, but we'll see. So I think what I would do is actually put the brisket on and make it a little sandwich. Let's see if that makes it a little bit better. Now I've made a little brisket sandwich. Definitely needs some sauce. It's a little dry. It doesn't have a whole lot of flavor. Let's taste the strawberry shortcake lemonade. Ooh, that is good. Oh, look, there's a train coming by. What a great little spot. This lemonade is delicious. The cream is sweet. Tastes like whipped cream. It's probably what it is. Overall, the star of the show, the ribs. These are good. Now, it's theme park food. So, taking that into account, I'm going to give these, I would say, are probably an 8.1. The whole meal together, it's a lot of food, so it's worth it as far as like value is concerned. There's a lot of meat. 2 people could share this. But value's sake, the brisket, and next time I'll try the sausage. But I'm gonna give it a 7.7. Would I come here again? Yes. Would I seek it out? No. But the atmosphere is lovely with the train going by. You've got Tom Sawyer's Island across the way, and it's peaceful. And there's a lot of seating, which is lovely. So you're not fighting for seating like some of the other restaurants in the park that don't have a lot of seating, but this does. Okay, so I got barbecue sauce. I put it on there. Eating it now. Definitely helps with it not being so dry. It's good. Not great. If you come here, get the ribs. It's only the first day, and the chef came up, brought me the food. She forgot to give me the bun, but I reminded her, so they will get there. But I think, the thing that's great about Disney is that if you're celiac and you are concerned with cross-contamination, they're very careful. Changed gloves, handed me directly, made sure to say it was gluten-free. So I'm always appreciative of that. The cross-contamination doesn't bother me personally, but for those of you that need that, this is a safe place. And altogether, I'm happy to have some barbecue. It's good. Okay, just a little update. First day, I just finished eating, and the line is all the way to the front. So it's about 6:15, and I would recommend getting here early because this is going to be very popular to begin with. And I was talking to one of the employees about the fries and how they don't offer any regular fries anymore at this location. It's only the beer battered fries. So they've asked if regular fries can be added to the menu, but probably not going to happen anytime soon. So that's the update. The meats come unsauced, as we saw, but I'm telling you, the ribs were so seasoned so well, it didn't need sauce, really, for me. The brisket, on the other hand, definitely needed some sauce, but it was delicious. I'll definitely come back. If I'm over here, I would definitely have barbecue again. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on my next adventure.